Braces na siya.
Gotta change my answering machines now that I'm alone. 'Cause right now it says that
A few moments later.
you come to the phone. And I know it
Braces na siya. Ganun ba yun pag may braces tapos yung accent mo magbabago?
I don't know. Ikaw lang na naka-brace eh and never experienced mag-brace.
Cause right now for some
May kulay-kulay eh. Lalagyan ko sana ng kulay blue.
Gusto ko sana navy blue.
Tsaka na.
Next time ulit.
So ayan, after 6 years nakapag-brace ako ulit kasi nasira yung brace ko sa travel namin sa Japan.
said I'm so sick of